Alright guys, well let's see. What else did I miss or did I not get? Because sometimes, guys, if you miss anything, if your parents are in a bad mood or they had a bad day, they're liable to tell you if you didn't do a good job cleaning. Which I find to be kind of funny sometimes, you know. You half-assed, you didn't get everything off the floor like I told you all. Sometimes that's just part of what happens. But back to it, guys. Here you go. By the door too. See how well it cleans off the starter bed with the valve. That's what happened there. I didn't even walk the ball. It's just a gloomy freaking day, guys. Right now it's raining like you won't believe, so I'm not going to be out on a scooter that needs a front tire. I need to replace my tires. I'm not going to be out in rain with downpours. It's all... Oh, shit. Oopsie. One second, guys. Let me fix the little technical difficulty here and it'll be fine. Just fucking... The damn sheet got stuck in her, guys, but didn't destroy the belt, so we're good. I want to get rid of this heat patch off. It's just stuck in there. Alright guys, let me move the cord over. Guys, I think they should make a vacuum that goes flat. Like where it's basically that slim to like a flat, like, I don't know, it'd be kind of difficult if they made a vacuum that had like a flat, like, dirt bin in it. Because then you could basically go underneath your couch. My concept would be to make a vacuum that goes completely, like you do in the limbo. And you just go underneath the couch all the way in. You gotta move the couch up. Go all the way back and get all the junk from there. It's usually the age-old fight, guys, when it comes to cleaning. I don't want to be having gas break the couch. Using the conversation that we had for the morning. Or midday, whatever it is, or evening. Okay, they have the shark made it one time, but it was one of their cordless super vacuums, but I think they could have withstood to make the handle longer. And also they could have incorporated self-cleaning brush roller into that thing, so like I said. Oh Lord, they see you guys, I can't this crap up in here. Oh, you know what? Since you got a bunch of wrappers back here, look at this. That's just the thing for this thing. Look at that, guys. I'm gonna try something fun with this. Hold on a minute, I just dropped the tube that goes on here, you know, guys. We're gonna have to solve this unit. Alright guys, just a minute here, we're gonna set up some wrappers with this vacuum, see how it does that way. Incredible suction on the paper, picks up real well. And guys, I'm really impressed with this dynamite. It's really good, really lightweight too even. So, that's another added bonus. And guys, if you find a dynamite still powers on, I highly encourage you guys to replace your dynamite tube brush roller can be used in this unit. So that's good. I Googled that and found that out. That's nice to know. Not only that, it picks up really well too. I want to do the whole house with it, guys. Let me turn off the light on the camera here since I got light on the closet. There you go. I do got a 35-foot long cord too in there, which I would need this thing. This thing has a 30-foot long cord, and I figured why not add 6 foot, because sometimes you gotta take into account furniture that gets in the way of it. Oh, nice, guys. Look at this. Hang on 1 second. Turn on the light on the camera. First vacuum that actually fits on the side. Well, it fits my sheet, guys. Once I don't have the problem of the freaking sheet getting stuck in the brush roller. Before I have to deal with that. Oh, up here. Hang on, guys. Hang on. Hanging down where it's stuck in there. You pull on the right side a little bit so it comes down my way a little bit more. There, that should work. Now let's see if this will work, guys. alongside the bed with it. This is a tight spot, guys. Look at this. Look at that. Perfect. Huh? Yeah. Dirt can't hide on that side no longer. Oh yeah, I'm keeping this vacuum here. The vacuum that can get alongside that little quarter slot on that side of the bed is worth keeping around. Oh yeah. Most definitely, guys. Worth keeping around the house. And guys, sometimes when you're just riding around, if you might be at a thrift store or you might be out on pasture, sometimes you might see something poking out of a pail and you might wonder what the heck is in there. Well, don't hesitate, because if you snooze, you're going to miss out, and the garbage man's going to crush it, and you're going to regret it. You might not have gotten it. My friend Will was pretty nice, and he had this, so he gave it to me. And I've been wanting a dynamite for a long time. Alright guys, and yes, I'm fully aware this is 7 amp motor, but still, definitely a great little vacuum. And yeah, I know it's not a self-cleaning brush roller, but I will say, definitely worth it. Definitely worth it, guys. It came with he had the wand with it. He had the cleaning brush with it, which is pretty nice. Compared to the, which is the rarest one I had, was the quick power. This definitely blows that thing out of the water, because this thing is pretty nice. It actually has the holder, which wasn't damaged or cracked or broken off of it, so that was nice. So the tube stays on. Yeah, the hose is short, but so what? I still got my multi-surface. And guys, let's see how much dirt we got inside that bin. Let's take a peek here in just a minute or two, and we'll see how much did I pick up with this thing, because still the same filter, but I did clean it off with the multi-surface though. And that thing's a high performance motor in there, or whatever. It's high performance, whatever. Anyhow, let's see what we picked up dirt-wise. You know, 1 second, guys. Let me angle this just right so you guys can see all the wrappers got up in there. And where is the fall mark on this guy? Guys, you know what? We're gonna do another vacuuming with this thing before we empty, because this thing's really not even all that bad in the dirt bin. So this thing can still be used yet. Still not bad. Look at all the dirt, dust, and wrappers I picked up. That's pretty good. You know what? I'm pretty happy with it. So guys, I hope you enjoy that. Hope you enjoyed that little video of it. This one here still works. It's just cracked on the end, but it still holds the attachments on it. But like I said, if you found all the Dirt Devil bag vacuum, man, this is a question I'm asked the viewers and subscribers. And by the way, guys, thank you for all 462 of you guys. And for those of you who are not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell, and you'll be notified every time I upload. But would you buy a bagged vacuum if you seen it was damaged or missing a few things, or would you just bypass it, you know? But like I said, and by the way, guys, the guppies are doing great. They're doing really well. And I'd recommend those of you who are going to be doing fish or guppies, don't do goldfish, guys. They're gonna cloud up the water. I highly recommend guppies if you're gonna be your beginner pet for fish in the aquatics. A couple of things you don't want to do is one, don't change your filter for about a month. Use Tetra Aqua Safe, add 3 drops if you're going to get 2.5 gallon tank. And you only want no more than 2 guppies, so you'd want 1 male, 1 female, and that's it. And have some hiding places in there. Gravel's not necessary because the reason why is because it's so much easier to get rid of the dirt, the fish waste, and all that stuff when you're doing. You just want to drain out like a get a red sole cup. You just want to do like no more than a half a cup full, 1 cup full of water change, and you want to let the bacteria be in the water for the fish because it's actually good. I haven't done mine for like a whole month, and it's still, the fish are doing perfectly fine. They're still kicking, so I'm gonna stick with that. Come up in August, guys, I'm gonna change my filter for the tank. Put a new filter in right now. It's still doing, so if it ain't broke, I'm not gonna fix it. You know. They're hardy, they're healthy. So guys, with that being said, we'll see what this weather does outside today, guys. Because if it's gonna be raining all day, chances are I won't be able to get outside and get any riding done. So we'll see what happens. For now, guys, there'll be more videos to come on a daily basis. I got new tires coming for the Ice and Well S9 Max, so I gotta wait for that. And the bike mechanic Lauren over at Main Street Outfitters out in my town, great, really cool person, said that I'll need bearings, so I might as well, I'm gonna do that later afterwards, because like I said, the tires are gonna be on their own, enough on their own to get those put on. And like I said, guys, it's going to be a hard job for them to do, so I hope you enjoyed it.